Governance is the set of rules and processes that keep a Power BI tenant safe, consistent, and trusted as it scales from one report to thousands. Without governance, you end up with multiple reports showing different numbers for the same KPI, sensitive data shared too widely, abandoned reports cluttering workspaces, no way to audit who saw what. Governance prevents all of that. Typical policies a Power BI admin defines. Workspace naming convention, for example. BU-Function-Env, sales reporting prod. Certified datasets. Datasets blessed as the single source of truth for a domain. Approved color theme applied via a tenant-wide json theme. Sharing rules which audiences can be shared externally, which can't. Lifecycle when reports are archived or deleted. The Power BI admin portal exposes tenant settings. External sharing on off per security group. Publish to web usually off. It makes reports public on the internet. Export to Excel, CSV, PDF can be restricted. Email subscriptions can be limited to internal users. Apply Microsoft Purview sensitivity labels, for example, confidential finance to datasets and reports. Labels travel with the data even if exported to Excel and can enforce encryption. Power BI in Microsoft 365 supports common compliance standards. GDPR, ISO 27001, SOC 2. Admins can export the activity log for audits, use Power BI data flows to centralize data prep, enable endorsement, promoted, certified on datasets so users find trusted ones first. Tenant admin sets global settings. Workspace admin controls their workspace. Capacity admin manages premium capacity if applicable. Dataset owner accountable for quality and refresh. Report author accountable for visual quality. Review secure sharing practices. Open your workspace settings permissions. Confirm who has each role and remove anyone who shouldn't. Open a dataset. Endorsement. Mark it as promoted if it's the source of truth. Open a report sensitivity and apply an appropriate label. Review file options privacy settings on your desktop install.